Yeah, we're at stage 3 of Hurricane Matthew. And just in case you didn't know that the next hurricane is gonna be named is a girl. They go in alphabetical order. So next one's gonna be an N, and it's gonna be a girl, and its name's gonna be Hurricane Matthew. But it's already in stage 1, I think. It's already inside the ocean. So like once Hurricane Matthew's finished, Hurricane Nicole is gonna be like on stage 3 somewhere. But like, yeah, this is close to Charleston. We're evacuating quick. And this is what the hurricane did to us. You can see it knocked down my. You can see that it knocked down my bush, some of my tree. It knocked down some of my little. It knocked down, well, not some of it. It knocked down my whole. What's it called? My whole stand, and it broke some of my chair. It broke all of my chair right there. Get my trees. Look what it did to my neighbors. I don't know if you can see. I'm zooming in a little bit. I'm not really sure. See it? No, you can't see it. Yeah. Look what it did to my flowers. All that. You can see that somebody's evacuating right now. They really don't have that much. They're leaving to go to Greenwood, South Carolina. If you didn't know, I live in Charleston, South Carolina. Just to know, it's very big. And we saw, and I might be going to Florida to see Live Sweet Jimmy. If you don't know who Live Sweet Jimmy is, just check out his videos and like his videos and subscribe. Live Sweet Jimmy's my cousin. Yeah. Peace. Oh yeah, before I leave, I'm gonna be making a video sometime earlier today. I'm not sure, but for real, this is my little brother. Yeah, but I'm actually something years old. I put 19. I'm not telling you guys what my really age is. Yeah, but if you can see on my YouTube channel, I have 2 YouTube channels, actually. Both of them are called Tobias Little. My second, this one right here that I'm making, it's gonna be called Dashy XP. No, not that. It's gonna be called Dashy #1 Fan. And subscribe to my videos.